my name is Lynette Tangop and I am from Happy Tanan Snack House. And our innovative products that we will introduce is the fried bangus tofu. It is a one-of-a-kind snack that combines the nutritional benefits of bangus and soybeans into a crispy, flavorful, and protein-rich product. Unlike ordinary fried tofu, our fried bangus tofu is made from scratch, infused with ground bangus, creating a healthier and more satisfying snacks. It is served with either chili garlic oil or chili cheese dip, depending on the customer's preferences. With regard to the target market of Happy Tanan, it was the student, faculty, and administrative staff from DNSC. And when it comes to market opportunity, the fried bangus tofu, according to our survey, out of the 100%, 66% are more interested in trying our fried bangus tofu. Also, if we talk about the competitive edge of our business, specifically our fried bangus tofu, first it was value-added local ingredients, so we will utilize ingredients that are locally produced. Next, it is unique campus snack, and last is affordable and student-friendly. In terms of our business model canvas, I will just highlight the value proposition of our business specifically in terms of our fried bangus tofu. So, the Happy Tannen Snack House will offer a new value to its customers. Specifically, number one is our unique tofu flavor, which is the bangus tofu. Next, it was locally sourced. So, all of the ingredients will be locally sourced. And next is it has a reasonable price. Also, with regard to our financial viability, the Happy Tanan Snack House, specifically to the our product fried bangus tofu, we have a projected financial performance. So for the first year, we'll have a net sales for up to 92,160, and our cost of sales will be 49,152, and we will accumulate for the first year projected sales for our net income for our first year will be 43,008. Capital and stock house will only have 32,000 as its capital. So we will we will really see that we can accumulate profit for 1 year. In terms of feasibility and execution plan, freshly prepared on-site every day. We will utilize FIFO inventory management. We will also have strict food safety and sanitation practices. And we will have one trained cook and one service crew. So in business readiness, we will also have reliable local suppliers. We will also utilize standardized recipe, consistent quality control, and efficient preparation, which is 5 to 10 minutes per order. And also, if we talk about the impact to Davao del Norte, our fried bangus tofu, specifically the Hapitan and Snack House, supports local suppliers by sourcing fresh bangus and other ingredients from Panabo City. Also, it provides students with an affordable, nutritious, and convenient snack. And lastly, it encourages innovation and local food entrepreneurship through a unique bangus-based product.